Are you ready to transform your workflow? Discover how Gemini.ai can enhance your Google Workspace experience, streamlining tasks and fostering collaboration. In this video, we'll dive into practical tips and tricks to leverage AI for smarter document management, effortless scheduling, and automated responses. Don't miss out on the future of productivity. Watch now and elevate your workspace game. So hello guys and welcome back in another video where I will show you how to use Gemini AI with Google Workspace. So the first step that you have to do is open your browser and dive into gemini.google.com. This is the homepage as you can see. So all I have to do right now is just click over Chat with Gemini and you'll find another page which is this one. But firstly, let's know what is Gemini.ai. Gemini is an advanced artificial intelligence tool designed to enhance productivity and streamline workflows within Google Workspace. By integrating Gemini.ai with Google Workspace, users can leverage AI capabilities to automate repetitive tasks, generate content, analyze data, and facilitate collaboration. This powerful combination allows for more efficient document creation, smarter email management, and improved organization, ultimately helping teams work faster and more effectively. So you have just to click over Chat with Gemini and you will find this page as you can see. Here you have the terms and privacy and you have just to read it. If you are agree, you click over more and then here we have more and here we have all this privacy and guidance as well. Then you have just to click over use Gemini after reading all these terms of service, and once you click over use Gemini you will find this page as you can see. So all I have to do right now is just to integrate Gemini with Google Drive for seamless document management and send it to your Google Calendar to keep track of appointment and deadlines. You can also manage emails through Gmail and create tasks that synthetics with Google Tasks. Finally, explore automation features and training resources to optimize your workflow. I will show you how you can do that. The first step, you have just to go to the settings here and you click over extensions, and here we have a various of information that you have to know about Gemini. For example, we have Gemini extension help you bring it all together, and also we have here the magic of Gemini comes to your stuff. Then we have turn Gemini extension on off anytime. Then we have one conversation mini extensions. Gemini extensions help you bring it all together. Then you have the magic of Gemini comes to your stuff, and here we have it as you can see. You just click over learn more to more understand about each one as you can see. If we scroll down you'll find other page which we'll find here this one. We have here the option of Google Workspace. If you want to activate the option of Google Workspace, and that's what I'm gonna just explain for this video. For example, we have Google Workspace such as Gmail, Google Calendar, Google Docs, Google Drive, Google Keep, and Google Tasks. So also we have other one which is Google Flight, Google Hotels, Google Maps, YouTube Music as well. For example, I will just delete this one. And also if I want to this one, I will just make it switch on and we will delete this one and this one. Alright, so let's come back right now and I will show you how you can do that. The first step that you have to do is just select here the one you want. For example, I will select Gmail and I will write, for example, in read email as you can see. And if we have here in read email, you will find here the response here. If you don't have, you will find here we don't have in read email as you can see. So let's just waiting for it. So here we have it as you can see. Here we have a new device is using your account from Gemini as you can see. We have a new device is using your account, become a certified system.io, and we have here connect your audience, both watch them. We have a product sold to me right now, and right now I will just give another example. For example, here I will just select, for example, here Google Drive, and I will select here folder that I have in Google Drive. Or just Google that I have, because we have firstly Google Drive here. So let's just search for it, and here we have found 30 folders in your Google Drive. We have here 30 days challenges, and we have here all this as you can see. Then right now let's just give another example. For example, I will select YouTube, video that I react would like. All right, so let's just searching for. So we have, sorry, I don't know what video you liked because I can't search for videos by like. All right, so let's just give another example. For example, I will select also here Google Maps, for example. As you can see right now, I will just search for Google Maps localization of some places. Here we have the localization, as you can see. Here we have it. We have another McDonald's, for example. Here we have which especially, as you can see. And right now, let's just come back here and search for other things. Let's give it another example. Wait, for example, I will select here email and I will write folder or email. For example, specific one, I will select Shopify. For example, I search for Shopify. As you can see, email Shopify. So we have here, I couldn't find it. So let's just give another example. For example, let's just searching for Google Keep or Google Task Gmail. Do we have here Google Docs folder that I have, for example, folder that I have. So as you can see, we have the folder that I have, as you can see. All right. Also, you can just click over share and export if you want to just export to docs.gmail, and we have more options like if you want to copy, report legal issue, and report a legal issue with this response. Also, if you want a good response, if you want to make it bad response, you have also other options here. If you want to, for example, here Google that you want, and also if you want to try Gemini Advanced, and also you can use upload image or use microphone. Then we have here Team Manager. As you can see, here we have brainstorm, career guide. We have other things that could help you. For example, the help. You can also read about Gemini Advanced, and we have also settings here such as your public links, dark theme if you want. So, and to get Gemini with Google Workspace can significantly enhance your productivity by streamlining document management, calendar synchronization, and task organization. By leveraging these tools together, you can create a more efficient workflow, improve collaboration, and automate routine tasks. Embracing this integration will help you maximize your use of both platforms, ultimately leading to better time management and enhanced project outcomes. So this is how it works with Gemini.google.com. You can just get started as soon as possible. It's very helpful to use it. It's better than ChatGPT because you can just ask for specific things. And this is it for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful, and see you again in the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and if you have any question, feel free to ask in the comment section below. I will be happy to help you guys. Have a fantastic day ahead.